Hi, I'm Mike with Fluke. Today we're going to show you how to use the Fluke T6-1000 Pro electrical tester, your go-to tool for efficient and safe electrical measurements. Before using the tester, ensure you're wearing the correct safety gear. This includes safety glasses, insulated gloves, and protective clothing. Consult the NFPA 70E to ensure you're wearing the right PPE for your environment. The T6-1000 Pro is designed with FieldSense Technology, allowing you to measure voltage and current without making electrical contact to live voltage. To use FieldSense, simply turn the dial to the FieldSense setting, attach the black lead to ground, and slide the open fork over the conductor. The T6-1000 Pro comes standard with the AC 285 Alligator Clip. The beauty of FieldSense technology is that it allows you to see voltage and current measurements simultaneously. You'll see your readings displayed on the green backlit display. You will know when you have a valid result when the display is green and the no ground symbol has disappeared. You can also press the yellow function button to alternate voltage to frequency. When measuring resistance, turn the dial to the ohm symbol, then simply touch the probe tips across the component or circuit you are testing. Remember, always verify your tester's functionality on a known voltage source, such as the Fluke PRV240 FS proving unit, to ensure it's working correctly prior to operation. And that's how you use the Fluke T6-1000 Pro. It's a reliable, accurate, and safe tool for all your electrical measurement needs.